न्यायमूर्ती उदय उमेश ललित हांणी शेनवारा भारताचे 49वे सरन्यायाधीश म्हूण सोपूत घेतलो। राष्ट्रपती द्रौपदी मुर्मू राष्ट्रपती भवनात उदय उमेश ललित हांकां सरन्यायाधीशाचो सोपूत दिलो। CJI NV रमण 26 ऑगस्टाक सेवानिवृत्त जाल्या उपरांत न्यायमूर्ती रमेश हांची भारताचे सरन्यायाधीश म्हूण नियुक्ती केल्या। नवे सरन्यायाधीश उदय उमेश ललित हांचो कार्यकाळ 3 म्हयन्यां परस कमी आसतलो आनी 8 नोव्हेंबरा दिसा आपल्या पदावेल्यान निवृत्त जातले।
I, Uday Umesh Lalit,
having been appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India,
having been appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duty of my office without fear and favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.